Welcome to Quality Kitchen Academy, where every recipe is one more step toward the success of your food business. In today's episode, we're going to look at sauces from around the world, the most iconic one esto, show you these unique flavors, and also the versatility of quality fry equipment, which goes beyond a traditional fryer. Let's get started. In this recipe, we are going to use garlic, onion, tomato, pepper, eggplant, vinegar, oil, salt, and pepper. We'll start by cutting the vegetables so we can put them into the machine. We're going to confit the vegetables at 150 degrees inside our IQ 635 model. We're going to peel all the ingredients so we can blend them together and create this sauce. For the romesco, we will need onion, tomato, a head of garlic, almonds, hazelnuts, Nora pepper paste, a slice of bread, vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, salt, and pepper. We're going to confit the vegetables at 150 degrees inside our IQ 635 model. We're going to fry the nuts for 2 minutes at 180 degrees, and we're also going to toast the bread for about another minute to a minute and a half. Once we have all the ingredients ready, we're going to put them into the blender to achieve this smooth and delicious sauce. For the red sauce, we're going to use garlic, onion, chipotle in adobo, lime, tomato, extra virgin olive oil, cilantro, salt, and pepper. We're going to confit the vegetables at 150 degrees inside our IQ 635 model. Now that our vegetables are cooked, we're going to blend them to make a Mexican-style, slightly spicy sauce, okay? For the green sauce, we're going to use garlic, onion, green tomatillo, lime, jalapeño, avocado, olive oil, cilantro, and salt. We're going to confit the vegetables at 150 degrees inside our IQ 635 model. Next, we're going to fry the green tomatoes and jalapeños for 2 minutes at 180 degrees. The tomatoes are now ready along with the jalapeños, and we're going to add them with the avocado, onion, garlic, and salt, and blend everything together. For the mango and pineapple sauce, we're going to need garlic, red onion, habanero, mango, pineapple, cinnamon, salt, and pepper. While the onion and garlic are caramelizing, we're going to cut the mango and pineapple so we can put them in the fryer at 180 degrees for a couple of minutes. And we're going to fry the mango for 1 minute and the pineapple and habanero for a couple of minutes. Then we'll blend all the ingredients together to get a smooth, bright yellow sauce. For the tomato sauce, we will need garlic, onion, basil, tomato, extra virgin, olive oil, salt, and pepper. We're going to confit the vegetables at 150 degrees inside our IQ 635 model. And once we have confided all the vegetables, we are going to peel the tomatoes, garlic and onion and blend everything together with a bit of basil and olive oil. For the baba ganoush, we are going to use eggplant, garlic, tahini, yogurt, lemon, olive oil, salt and pepper. Once the eggplant and garlic are cooked, we are going to peel all the vegetables and put them in the mortar to make a fairly rustic sauce. And we season the sauce with the use of half a lemon. We add salt, pepper, tahini, olive oil and a bit of yogurt. For the muhammara, we will need garlic, pepper, bread, walnuts, lemon, salt, extra virgin olive oil and pepper. We are going to start by cutting the vegetables so we can put them into the machine. After confitting the pepper and garlic, we are going to fry the walnuts and bread to finish our muhammara. Now we have the pepper, garlic, bread and walnuts ready. Now all that's left is to mix everything together to make our sauce. For the red berry sauce, we are going to use blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, honey, yogurt and mint. To start making the red berry sauce, we are going to heat the strawberries for 1 minute and give the blueberries just a quick 30-second warm-up. For the coconut and mango sauce, we are going to use honey, coconut milk, mango, and a bit of curry. For our mango and curry sauce, the first thing we're going to do is peel the mango, confit it at 180 degrees for 30 seconds, and then we'll combine it with the coconut milk. And we are going to mix the ingredients, the mango, coconut milk, honey and curry. And in this case, we are going to do it in the mortar. We can do it either in the mortar or in the blender. With this, we conclude today's episode, in which we have shared recommendations to enhance your offerings. Thank you very much for joining us once again, and we look forward to seeing you in the next episode of Quality Kitchen Academy.